Hello everyone. Today we are starting with class 11th permutation and combination. In this, first of all you need to understand factorial. What is the factorial? The continuous product of first and natural number is called n factorial. It is denoted by factorial n. It means here the symbol is like this or like this. Okay. Actually, what is factorial n? You can understand it by, first of all, you can understand it by seeing this example. Factorial 3, if suppose you want to find. You have to start from 1, multiplying it till this number will come. Okay. So 1, after 1, 2 will come into 3. So we will stop here because here we have written the same number. So 1 into 2 is 2, 2 3s are 6. If suppose you want to find out for 5, you will start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 5s are 10 and 120, it will become 120 like this. So that is why here it is written as factorial n is equal to, we have started from 1 multiplying till n, and before n what is the number? N minus 1. Some basic rules that you all have to learn is factorial 0 is always 1. Factorial n, we have just now, it is the continuous product till n. Okay. So now if suppose you are doing for this, for example, factorial 3 also, 3 only. तो अगर आपने 3 निकाल दिया, इसमें से देखें तो ये क्या बन जाता है 1 इंटू 2 इंटू 3 बन जाता है, और अगर आपने ये 3 रिमूव कर दिया इसमें से तो क्या बचा है 2 इंटू 1, एंड दिस 1 इंटू 2 कैन बी रिटन एज फैक्टोरियल 2 एंड दिस 3 विल कम ओवर हियर. This is factorial 3. 3 can be written like this. So that is why in the same way replace 3 by n. So it will become what? Factorial n is equal to n into factorial n minus 1. Hope it is clear. Now to understand factorial, the application of factorial, I have taken one example. Compute factorial 20 upon factorial 18. So how we will do it? Factorial 20 can be written as 20 into 19, and because I don't want to extend till 1 because I already have factorial 18 in the denominator, so I have stopped it over here. Wherever you want to stop, you can put the factorial. So it will stop over here. Factorial 18. Factorial 18 and factorial 18 will get cancelled. So 2 into 19 is 380 it will become. So this is how you can compute factorial. Now next is, before understanding permutation combination, it is very important to study fundamental principle of counting. How you are dealing with the situations. Okay. The first situation, if suppose if one job completed in n number of ways and second job completed in n number of ways, then there will be two condition. Two condition कैसे हो गए कि suppose दोनों का कंप्लीट होना कंपलसरी है, तो मैंने बोला एंड, और मैंने बोला ईदर दिस वन कैन कंप्लीट और दिस वन कैन कंप्लीट. सो आई एम यूजिंग द वर्ड और. सो व्हेनेवर यू आर यूजिंग एंड you will go for multiplication, and whenever you are going for or you will go for addition. So that is why I have written over here. For multiplication, the number of ways of performing two jobs together. मतलब मैंने बोल दिया ना कि एंड कंपलसरी हो गया कि ये भी होना चाहिए और ये भी होना चाहिए, तब मैं मल्टीप्लाई करूंगी, तब क्या बन जाएगी m इंटू n नंबर ऑफ वेज. फॉर एडिशन, ईदर ऑफ द टू ऑपरेशन, मतलब और की कंडीशन आ गई, सो इट विल बिकम m प्लस n वेज. लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड दिस बाय टेकिंग वन एग्जाम्पल. द एग्जाम्पल इज, a person want to go from station P to station R. कहाँ गया? P to R जाना है इसको via Q. तो P to R जाना है, पर यहाँ पर बीच में एक स्टेशन क्या है? Q है. There are 4 routes from P to Q and 5 routes from Q to R. तो इसको अगर हम ऐसे बना लें P Q R, ये ठीक है. There are 4 routes from P to Q, तो यहाँ पे 4 आ जाएगा, और 5 routes from Q to R. तो जाना कहाँ है? P to R जाना है, पर Q से होते हुए जाना, उसने बोल दिया via Q you have to go. So in how many ways he travel from P to R. So total number of ways is you have to compulsorily go from P to Q, because you have to go via Q, and then from Q to R because you have to reach to R. So it means you are applying the condition, compulsory condition, that is AND. Okay, so that is why the answer will be, the number of ways will be 4 into 5, that is equal to 20. So this is the example of condition AND. Okay, now the second one, a person want to leave station Q station, he want to leave. There are 4 routes from Q to P and 5 routes from Q to R. In how many ways he can leave the station? Now Q, it is not mentioned in the question that you have to go to station P only or to R only. Okay, so that is why he is free to either go to P or R. So that is why we are using the condition or. So in this condition we will apply what? 4 plus 5, that is equal to 9 ways. So this is how we will apply the fundamental principle of counting. Hope everybody has understood. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.